What do you do when you want an ice bath in the summer? Well, you build yourself an ice bath.
Did you steal this?
What is that? No! Did I just cut through a refrigerant pipe? I do not know what I'm doing here. What do you think? Why am I building this? Well, let me tell you a little story. This winter I started ice bathing with a guy named Thomas. And Thomas and I have become great friends, making a deep connection with each other whilst freezing our balls off. But this is about to end. Summer is coming, and the water is warming up. So to try and save our friendship, I'm going to attempt to build a refrigerated ice bath so we can continue our bromance throughout the summer. Alright guys, we are well into summer and we've got to get a move on this project. Now what do we need for this project to get started? Well, we need a big ass freezer.
Nick minute.
Right. Hey ho, Silver! Huh?
Justin, did you steal this?
They were throwing it out. Righto guys, now that we've acquired a freezer, no, actually the guys, they were giving this away. It's amazing what people throw away these days. This freezer works awesome. The only problem was it didn't have a lid, but that works for us because we're gonna build this up completely different to not look like a freezer. So rather than tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you. Oh, yep, yeah, I got it. Oh my, what is that? No, are you... No! Did I just cut through a refrigerant pipe? No! Look at that, that literally is on the edge. I nearly clipped that pipe and then it would have been game over. Do you see that? Ah! I'm the luckiest man on earth. Right, because I drilled the hole so close to the refrigerant pipe, I had to move the hole slightly, which meant I need to put a new plate into the bottom of the freezer. Then I'm gonna have to fill up this area here full of foam so it doesn't get any condensation on it. All right, before we go any further, I just want to say, I don't know if this is going to work out. I mean, I nearly cut a refrigerant line and it could have been disaster. Like, I do not know what I'm doing here. So I think the next bit is to insulate these pipework that's going to be running the circulation water. I think I have to do that to reduce the amount of cooling loss through these pipes. But again, I don't know what I'm doing. Righto, the next bit is to make this thing look pretty, and we're going to clad it in wood and build a little step. Now we have to keep a little bit of space in between the wall and the cladding so that it doesn't overheat, because there is a condenser on this side of the wall. And it should hopefully look like this highly accurate drawing I've drawn. Enough shenanigans, let's get on with it. See, just like the drawing. Well, wait a second. The things I do for my videos, oh my God. Right, the next part. We need to build a lid for this. And we need to build a lid fast, because I haven't seen Thomas in like 2 weeks. And I feel like we're drifting apart. Maybe we're even breaking up. Anyway, we've got to get this lid made. And it has to be insulated, and it has to be fairly airtight, and I want it to look good. I don't want it to look like a bag, like you just put a tarpaulin over the top of it. So I have an idea on how to do it. I don't know if it's gonna work again, but we're gonna give it a try. That seems pretty good, but is it going to work on full scale? I don't know. Hey guys, do you support me on Patreon like these guys? If you don't, I'd love your support. And maybe one day I'll be able to do this full time. Crazy, right? Another crazy thing is I kind of finished the project when you weren't looking.
It's just under 2 degrees today.
Thomas is here. What do you think?
You're an artist. That's amazing.
Are you ready, man? Are you ready?
Oh, he's straight in!
Oh, he's like a pro.
Of course he is. It is nippy. Yeah, it's like winter time.
Yeah, it's like freezing our balls up.
Thoughts on painting the pool?
It's strictly limited to myself.
You built it, you get to be in it.
Yeah, that's right. Big again. So there we go, guys. I built an ice bath to save my friendship with Thomas, but it didn't really need saving, to be honest. It was a great adventure to build this thing, test myself, ignite my creativity to make my ideas reality. And I want to push you guys to get out there and try that. And I also want to push you guys to go find a friend, make some friends that maybe you wouldn't normally find. I have no clue why I got into ice bathing, but this man did it, and that's why I do it, and I continue to do it every day now in this thing. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. See ya. Ah!
No kissing.
She missed it. She wasn't here, so that was good.
Oh.